Hello, and welcome to the Screencast on petty cash. I know it might seem intimidating, but once explained, understanding and implementing petty cash is going to be a piece of cake. To understand petty cash, we need to define exactly what it is and why businesses need to establish a fund. The most important thing to understand is that businesses require any disbursements of cash to be monitored and recorded through a series of authorised transfers or double-signed checks. However, on occasion, there are instances that arise that call for a small amount of cash. For example, an employee may need a few dollars to purchase an office supply quickly. In this scenario, the accountant is unlikely to have the time to record the transaction, and/or the dollar amount could be too little for a check. This is where the petty cash fund comes in. Simply put, a petty cash fund is an amount of cash that is kept on hand within a business to pay for small expenses. Now that we have discussed what a petty cash fund is and why a business would need it, we need to now delve into the 3 steps of the fund. The first step is establishing. To establish a petty cash fund, a business needs to write and cash a check for the desired cash amount, and then place the cash in a safe location under the care of a designated employee. In terms of recording this transaction, the business would debit the petty cash amount and credit the cash amount to establish the fund. The second step of a petty cash fund is making payments. Simply put, cash can be withdrawn from the fund, or employees can use their own personal income and later seek reimbursement from the fund. In both of these instances, receipts need to be collected so that when the fund needs to be replaced, the business can match the receipts to the journal entries. The final step of a petty cash fund is replenishment. As the fund is utilised, there comes a time where it needs to be replaced. As an example, Stefan Pty Ltd has a petty cash fund of $200. Throughout a period of time, $160 is spent on office supplies, meaning the remaining cash balance in the fund is $40. To replenish the account, the business simply needs to cash a check of $160 to bring the fund's overall dollar amount back to $200. A report will then be compiled to acknowledge this cash movement. Now you have the basic knowledge and aspects of a petty cash fund. Thank you.